Introducing clouds hands. Knees hip sink, step open to your left. Hip pivot apart. Single arms clouds hand. Right hand behind the hip. Left hand lift from center body. Take your palms facing out. Sink your knees, hips down. Brush your hand diagonally to left. About 45 degrees. Relax your shoulder and arms. And your left hand, pushing down, scoop towards the right. Draw an oval shape towards the right diagonally. And turn the palms facing in, no higher than your chin. And slide towards your left. Palms down. And to left. Add breathing. Inhale. Scoop to the right. Exhale, slide to left. Your arms movement guided by your waist. It looks like your arms go first, but actually it's your waist guiding arm movements. Body weight shift towards the right, hand to the right. Body weight shift towards your left, hand to left. Single arms, clouds hand. So hands, just like a draw a oval shape in front of your chest. Right hand, pushing down first. And slide to the side. Pushing down. Palms turn towards your left, scoop to left diagonally. Palms facing in and slide towards the right. Pushing down. And slide to the side. Inhale. Focus point, center of the palm. Exhale. Focus point still center of the lao gong point, your palm. Exhale. Good. Add both hands, clouds hand. Right hand to the side, left hand follow in. Lift up, focus top of the hand. Right hand up, left hand down. Show the right hand palms, pushing down, left hand. Brush out. Right hand lift up, brush out. Left hand up, lift up, and brush out. Movements all guided by your waist. Add our legs first. Shift body weight towards your left. Step your right foot in. Tap your toe down. Left hand pushing down, right heel down. And continue. Take your hands towards the right and left heel up. Right hand pushing down. And step open to your left. Relax. Relax. Gentle and consistent. Shift body weight towards the right. Left foot step in. Right hand down. Left hand up. Keep your gravity same. Focus point. Follow in the top of the hand. Back to left. Shift body weight to left. Hand to the left. Right foot step in. Left hand down. Right arm up. No higher than your eyes, your hand. Like the floating water and clouds. Back to center. Hands down, step left in, half step. And rise your arms. Inhale. Exhale, release. Step your right foot in.